Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is the space where we talk about my ongoing beginner's journey. I think I will forever be a beginner in this field, in the world of horology and watches. In today's episode, I have a really nice G-Shock that I wanted to unbox for you. So this is the second signature watch of NBA player Rui Hachimura in collaboration with Casio G-Shock. So I did a video on the first one a couple of months ago, and it's nice to be able to do like a quick feature on this second model that we have today. So let's go, let's open this box and check out the watch. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, I have two other channels. I have a main channel which is all about sneakers and tech, link down below. And I have another channel dedicated to, well, since he is an NBA player, it's kind of fitting. I have a channel dedicated to NBA cards. So both channels are linked down below. So while I am unboxing this, let's talk a little bit about Rui Hachimura. So to those who don't know, Rui Hachimura plays for the Washington Wizards. He was out for most of the season because for personal reasons. However, he played, I think, his first game back off the bench a couple of days ago or a couple of weeks ago, and he is expected to play more and more as the months come by. And he is one of the most high potential players out there, so super excited to see him playing again. He is the first Japanese national to be drafted on the first round of the NBA draft, and that I think makes him an even more special player, and that's the reason why I think Casio, being a Japanese company, decided to support him by partnering him with his watches. So like what I mentioned, there's a video of the first watch that I already did. This piece is the second watch. Let me just take it out of the box so that you guys can take a closer look. Ba-bam! Now, as you can see, this uses the GM-110 series. The official name is GM-110RH, if I'm not mistaken. And this one has some sort of like bronze colored metal case that you can see. It gives it a little bit more profile, emphasis, and oomph. But definitely the one that takes a lot of attention and focus. Number one would be the three colors of red, yellow, and green, which you can see on the Y-shaped axis or centerpiece here on the dial, and the three colors as well here on the strap, and of course the design for this strap that it has. Now, the three colors in the strap are closely linked together because the yellow, red, and green are actually the colors of Benin, which is the ancestral place where Rui Hachimura is from. Now, I have to read this properly. If you take a look at the brown strap, this is the optional one because there is a black urethane strap that goes with it by default. This one is inspired by a West African kente cloth motif by the traditional clothing of the region. So those are the patterns and the colors that you guys can see over here. Definitely something that will, get attention because it's not your typical design. Nice added touch, especially with the contrast of the yellow, red, and green. Now, if you take a look at the backplate, it has his black samurai logo over here. Apparently, this also stands for Hachi, which is his name, as well as 8, which is his jersey number. Now, when asked about the watch, this is what Rui Hachimura had to say. The watch draws inspiration from my roots in Benin and Africa, which are very important to me. The band design and watch face evoke elements of Beninese, apologies if I got that wrong, culture, and I am delighted at how Casio brought my ideas to life. So that's the background of the watch. Now, how is it on wrist? Well, it is a G-Shock and it is the GM-110, which is a pretty chunky model. So if you have small wrists, you might have a problem with it. But if you have chunky wrists like me, for reference, I think I have like 8-inch wrists. So it is a big wrist. I have problems with the smaller watches. In fact, one of the most favorite G-Shocks is the Casio, which is I think the GA-110RH. The problem with that for me is that it's kind of small despite, it already being kind of big for some people. This one for me is just right. So I am a fan of this particular model of Casio G-Shocks. I do have a couple of other models or designs for this one, specifically the One Piece model as well as Dragon Ball Z model. I think this set or this watch silhouette or model is like a favorite collab piece for Casio and a lot of other brands. So in a nutshell, I think it goes without saying, if you guys are a fan of Rui Hachimura, if you are a fan of everything that he stands for, then you might want to cop a piece. It is pretty, sick. You can go with the brown strap if you want it a little bit louder, but if you want it muted, you can go with the default black urethane straps that it comes with. Personally, I tend to go all out. That's the reason why I'm using the more colorful option. I was able to get this watch from one of my favorite watch stores here in Manila at Tokyo. Make sure to check them out. Second floor over at the Podium Mall. So what do you guys think of the watch? Let me know in the comment section down below. Personally, I think his watches, Rui, will continue to go up in terms of desirability as he plays more and more in the NBA. So hopefully he's able to surpass and go and beat whatever those personal problems that he has that prevented him from playing. I'm hoping for his continued success and looking forward to see him play more minutes, especially since the Washington Wizards have just been absolutely killing it. I don't know if you guys have been watching the NBA, but that team is really a team to watch out for, and it's going to be even stronger and even more of a contender if they're able to get Rui to play more and maybe Thomas Bryant. Oh yeah, that's not an NBA channel, but you guys get the point, right? So as he plays more and he excels more, then we probably will see more watches, and the desirability of these watches might go up in the future. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our watch vlog for today. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Merry Christmas to all of you. Happy New Year as well. I have 2 more watch vlogs before this year ends. I actually have a massive backlog of watches to unbox and feature on the channel. So now that we're on a holiday, I'll try to have a couple of videos out. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and make sure to catch them and comment what you think of the watches once the videos come out. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.